17s. And we're going to switch around to the rear, 2 18s. Slide the seat forward. Sometimes these 18s here are rusted in. Got lucky on those. Sometimes they lock tight them, so you have to loosen them and then you tighten them back up, loosen them, tighten them back up, and then they come out. It's really easy. You work the lock tight on it. We're going to go back around front. We're going to disconnect electronics. Get your airbag. This is the console electronics that you got to disconnect. Front seat comes out. Biggest thing is making sure you don't scratch the door or the seal plates as you come out. Get your front seat out. Second thing, while you're on this side of the vehicle, cut down all your steps and disconnect all electronics to the console. Then we're going to disconnect or remove the driver's side portion of the console. Millimeters to the little storage plate up front here, which covers the vent for the rear air to the console. And then you got 2 13 millimeters. This one you either have to use a wrench or a ratchet due to it's under the frame. Front one is same thing, 13, but you can get it with a impact. Oh, I didn't bring my. Usually I have my long 13. Alright. So that's driver's side's disconnected. We'll go around the passenger side, pull the passenger seat. Pull off this panel. Covers your jack. Front bolt, which are 15s. Same as the driver's side. Then run around back, pull the 18s. We got to lean the seat back, pull 2 10s and 2 12s, disconnect airbag. This part's the trickiest part of it. Separates your seat, which is the 2 bolts here, 10s, 2 13s. A lot of guys that don't know how to do that, they try to get it, take it out one piece. Fight it for about 30-45 minutes and it'll come out soaking wet and sweating. There's your front section removed. I've got a pair of sunglasses and a 25-cent. We're almost got lunch. Ready? All right, on these, this one is a little of a stocker truck. The Dodges sometimes have the fold-out tray for storage, which in return would have a stud here, and same on the side, or vice versa if it was a 60-40, which those would be 13s. You would take the 18s out and then fold it down and pull the 13s and then just remove that little section, which is pretty easy. And Sometimes they have the harness here, which is, this one's a dummy plug, but they usually have the harness coming through here as well for rear heated seats. Sometimes they're pre-wired for that, even though they're not in the console and things. So everything on this vehicle, I forgot my bit, is 18s on the back. These sometimes can be extremely tight too, because the bolts actually go through the floor, so they get all the elements. That's why you see in the bolts here that they're got a little rust to them, because they come, the rust works its way up through. On this particular seat, you have 5 18 millimeters. You can actually, instead of having to use a ratchet on these, you can slide the impact up behind the seat. If you lay the seat down a little bit, it actually gives you a little bit more room. This seat's a little easier because it's a full bench. 60/40 has, some of them have consoles in them. Now you take the seat belt for the middle seat. The rest of the seats, seat belts just put through the seat. Whenever you put these seats back in, you if the harness is there, it's very easy because the harness will lay back down. For 2 people to do, biggest thing is to make sure the pin that's right here on this leg doesn't come across and scratch up the cup holder. I kind of just work it a little bit.